Welcome to the iScan High Resolution Soil Mapping Program for 2023 grazing season with CarbonAg Technologies and AxisTech. The iScan unit is a high resolution in-ground soil mapping device generating data from a mounting point on a cedar bar or a 3-point linkage. The unit is able to be deployed onto the cedar bar, much as with this one. As you can see, the seeding program is relatively uninterrupted by the inclusion of the sensor unit onto the cedar bar. This one's travelling at about 12 kilometers an hour and measuring at around 1 hertz, which is around 1 measurement per second, generating a significant amount of data. You can see the process here around what we undertake. Where we take that raw data, it's sent to the cloud. We're then able to process that data, do some significant data cleaning, process it again through a purpose-built WA soils correlation model, and then correlate that data against local soil tests, so paddock level soil tests that are taken at the time of the iScan deployment, and then put that data into a farm data store so that it can then be utilized within for multiple purposes, in particular utilized for building out maps and visuals and analysis. You can see here a whole of farm mapping point and able to generate a carbon landscape map that is done at both a farm and a paddock scale. We've undertaken significant correlation work across soil data points to arrive at as higher correlation or resolution and accuracy as we can. See here the correlation between organic matter and carbon between two different sample sources is significantly high, which is what you would both expect and hope for. We're able to provide data outputs around the raw elements, but in particular able to generate those key outputs in terms of soil moisture, carbon, organic matter and EC. Work for 2023 season is around producing data outputs and mapping with as high a correlation as we possibly can at an elemental level, and really driving some of those key agronomic outcomes. One of the key pilot projects we undertook in 2022 season was across 6,000 hectares. We generated more than 500,000 data points, and that translated to more than 24,000 data points per paddock, a really significant amount of data. The outputs in terms of mapping provides this high resolution, high detail map. We're able to locate the sample points where soil samples were taken, provide a known correlation or known reliability, and identify the resolution across moisture, carbon, and EC. And you can see there's a great deal of variability, spatial variability across these paddocks, but being able to produce this level of detail gives some really significant insights. The work for 2023 season, as we progress through the season, will be around trying to build out elemental maps and being able to build out key precision agriculture, variable rate application prescriptions from this data, which we think will be a really significant leap forward in terms of how those decisions are made, what data is used to be able to build out those prescription maps and the prescriptions of variable rate. This is a really exciting project for 2023 season. iScan is a partnership between CarbonAg Technologies and AxisTech. We'd love for you to reach out, find out more information, get a unit out on farm and get some paddocks sampled and start that building of knowledge of what's happening with that high resolution across your paddocks. Look forward to hearing from you. Reach out to myself, Wes Lawrence, or Brad Wisewood, Brad at CarbonAgTech.com.au. Look forward to hearing from you. Here's to a great season.